Another perfect morning on S&P. At 10:07 EST on August 26. As I spelled out at the market open, you have to be very, very silly to buy S&P into reversal zone. No interest whatsoever. Very jittery and very panicky open. Shocker. Identical to our monthly chart. Looks familiar? Price comes to reversal zone, you have to be clueless to buy S&P. Market been in bearish correction for the last 9 months. You witnessed complete collapse on S&P. And what has happened at decision point 2? Shocker, is exact same thing that's happening currently on hourly to the upside. It's all the same formula. Price is finding selling pressure. On our non-time based chart, 8 points later, we are at reversal zone. What are you seeing? Selling pressure. Every level in front of you is Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci level. This is expected. This is exactly the reason I named this level reversal zone. That pure and that simple. Out of 5 trades this morning, this is the only trade I brought to the trading room. Execution and knowledge in this market condition is everything. Being a follower does not work. Clear? Price remains the same. It doesn't matter if you look on Apple, where Apple doing exact same dance as S&P right now doing on very small chart. Looks familiar? Reversal zone and decision point 2. Exact same thing is happening currently on hourly. Will S&P blast through this level? It doesn't matter to me if I look on yearly chart or 1 minute chart. If I look on Euro or I look on Apple. Formula remains the same. S&P finding selling pressure. This magnificent formula playing out again. Dance between hourly levels. Buy from as low as possible and know when to exit. All spelled out by the price since yesterday. On this chart, all spelled out by the price on monthly chart since 2009. Price does not care about the economic conditions. This level set far in advance, just like this level on my trade set far in advance. What you trade is up to you. I live and breathe price. I will miss you so much when I'm in Dubai. If you know what to do, and especially if you are an options trader. We see opportunities setting up on monthly and yearly charts. We're seeing only every 5 to 8 years. About 20% of the students are option traders. Currently, I have a couple of traders who just signed up for the course, who are position traders in stock market, because they're seeing the magic of the puzzle and the power of Alpha Wave Trader method. This is how perfect price really is. Doesn't matter what you trade. So, next we'll be taking a look on oil monthly. This is where oil is. How magnificent is price? Oil staged ultimate war in 2011 at the end of the minor trend, in 2012 at the end of the minor trend. As posted on social media for years, this level is broken, bearish trend is major. You know how to trade Alpha Wave Trader method? You had been short from 108. We'll take a look where oil is today. Clear? Oil had not been able to break through decision point 2 to the upside. And here goes S&P. South, 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 just like S&P is doing on monthly chart. If you know where Fibonacci levels are, You can trade gold yearly, exact same way as you're trading 1-minute chart. Risk management and trader psychology is different, and only you can identify if you are a position trader, you're an option trader, or you're a day trader, which is the toughest business of all. Every day you will be tested for your patience and discipline. And in these markets, if you're a knowledgeable trader, it's a dream market. And if you're a trader who needs a hand holding, ouch, run as far as you can, because volatility at all times high. Market orders in these market conditions is not a wise thing to do. We are almost out of this trade, as we knew. Price will collapse from reversal zone. Clear? That pure and that simple. 8 points later. Let's document the results. This is trade number 45 this morning, correct? This trade made it to all reversal levels. We knew exactly when to move the stop outside of break even. And here we are. On this trade, price at a reversal zone. Every single trade, different stop and different target. All spelled out by the price, by a tick. Exact same formula you witnessed on non-time based chart can be used on minute chart, monthly chart, yearly chart, stock chart, forex chart, any chart you trade. Choice is yours. You're witnessing how essential it is to respect Fibonacci levels. Here goes complete collapse. Will S&P finally blast through the end of the minor trend? Showtime, shocker. Look at 1-minute chart. 10-point collapse on S&P. How did we know? Simple. Decision point 2 was not broken to the upside. I warned you, this level is broken, major trend is bearish. Are you clear? 10-point collapse in 1 second. Welcome to S&P in August 2015, as spelled out by the price since 2009. We are at reversal zone. So here we go. You know alpha wave trader method, you know how crucial this level is. In the month of October 2014, this level was defended by the most powerful bearish correction we had not seen in years. So heads up. This is what you're paying attention to. Next level to the downside will be this one, 1608.25. This level is broken with S&P collapsing to 800. Knowledgeable trader had been out of the markets completely since November last year. When I get phone calls and emails, should I exit the markets? Choice is yours. You're a knowledgeable trader, you know what to do. Obey the rules. Knowledgeable trader been out of position trading completely as of November last year. Clear? That's it. Price comes to reversal zone, get the heck out of your trades. Price comes to reversal zone, not a good place to be long. Your success rate 20%. We are dealing with monthly and yearly levels. This is key. What plays out in the next few days at this level. Ladies and gentlemen, incredible caution. Drastically different trade. Very important level. Listen very, very carefully. Adjust your stop on S&P. This is your very important target. This is not something we could say on the first trade. On this trade, it's a counter trend trade. When you're trading counter trend, you absolutely must adore the end of the minor trend. Just showing you how powerful these levels are. You're witnessing what happened on S&P to the downside. When price at this level, you look to buy. But when you're trading counter trend, you must adore the end of the minor trend. As a knowledgeable and conservative trader. Clear? Showtime. Drastically different trade. Decision point 1 respected. 3 points later. Very important target. Will price give us more? And that remains the key. You're witnessing ultimate war zone at the end of the minor trend. We know exactly when to short. We know exactly when to buy. Next level, 1900. Every person here trades different lot size. When I will be going to oil, there will be plenty of short opportunities on S&P. Stop well outside of break even. First very important target, 3 points is reached. Know when to protect your profits. Drastically different trade. S&P next level 1900. Adjust your trail even closer. 1895 and a quarter. So let's go on oil. Oil news right now. So here's oil schmoil. News is out and oil is boring, reminding you the importance of reversal zone. Do the levels look familiar? Is this a crucial reminder of what? Price comes to reversal zone, you never ever buy into it. You only look to short, in only if rules are met. Last chance to buy oil is decision point 2. Exact same level you witnessed on S&P monthly. Astronomical shortage of supply. When we have astronomical shortage of supply on oil, oil should be going through the roof. Shocker! It is not doing that. It's stuck in reversal zone. What's happening? Where's the bullish rally on oil? Maybe it will happen when it collapses to here. This is the place you will be looking to buy oil from, correct? Price does not care that news is bullish. We are at reversal zone. Know when it's buying oil at reversal zone. Monitor for rules at decision point 2. And this is exactly the reason I love oil news release. Bullish news and oil is not rallying. Because oil is sitting very pretty at reversal zone. Clear? That pure and that simple. So let's forget about oil. Oil is completely asleep. Stock. S&P is moving. What are we interested on S&P on currently? We're interested response at reversal zone. What is S&P correlates with? And by the way, let's document the results on S&P. As I warned you, we see absolutely no short trades on S&P anywhere. Clear? And that's the magic of the price. Monitoring for reversal zone. Just like reversal zone on oil. So here's S&P. That was trade number 46. Agree? 36 trades positive, correct? Price struggled immensely at decision point 1 and blasted to decision point 2. Our trail was hit. Absolutely crucial to know when to protect your profits. On this trade, reversal zone was not reached. 15 minutes later, collapse on oil 400 ticks. Shocker, the end of the minor trend in a play, and buyers stepped in from this level. Bullish news, 100 tick collapse. as I warn you, everything preset in price far in advance. I only respect news due to volatility. Exact same formula you're witnessing on oil hourly, where oil collapsed to the end of the minor trend, is exactly same thing that's playing out on S&P monthly. Is exactly same thing as playing out on Apple weekly. Looks familiar? No reversal zone, and know where not to buy, where to exit long position. So what will happen currently on S&P at the end of the month at this level is crucial, and this level will determine if the bearish trend is major or if it will remain minor. Exact same way it's playing currently on oil hourly. Respect and adore the end of the minor trend. As I warned you, bullish trend currently, counter trend. Correct? How marvelous is price? The end of the minor trend is reached. To the tick. Exact same thing that oil had done on hourly. All the same formula. How magnificent is price? Second time around, will buyers pick up this theme, ladies and gentlemen? The moment of truth. Buyers visiting this level again. Remember, bullish trend is minor. Shocker, it respects this level again. Oh no! Is it possible? Price is that perfect, telling you far in advance where this level will be. And if you're trading counter trend, it's essential to respect it. Correct? Is everybody clear how essential it is to respect decision point 1? As I continue warning you. The dance is on, but bullish trend remains minor. Let's document the results. On this trade number 47, decision point 1 had been reached. Correct? 47 trades. 37 trades reached decision point 1. When we stuck in the room in counter trend structure, you will constantly witness counter trend dance. I'm demonstrating to you the precision, accuracy, and importance of Fibonacci levels. And that's exactly the level you must monitor on S&P, 1608 and a quarter. If price is collapsing through this level, when I am on vacation. Exact same thing I posted on Euro when I left a year ago in July. The post from social media will remind you that very, very clearly. Take a look on Euro. Short from 3800. I spelled out 3400 will be the end of the minor trend. Once Euro broke through 3400, bearish trend became major. And Euro made it to key levels. What you trade is up to you. Formula remains the same. And the same thing that happened on Euro, collapse from 3800, is exact same thing that will happen on S&P. DAX, da collapse from reversal zone. DAX, da weekly. Da bullish, da counter trend, da stuck at the end of the minor trend. As expected. Very powerful reminder. S&P will do exact same thing. What a pretty lovely place to buy do. Reversal zone reached to the downside, you look to buy. You never short near. But you must know the rules. So here's gold monthly, and this is what gold had been trying to do, reminding you. Price comes to reversal zone, you're not shorting near. Last chance to short from decision point 2. Gold continue finding buyers, but remaining in bullish correction. This remains major obstacle. Gold remains in bullish correction right now, but showing potential. When it comes to yearly chart, gold is heading into oblivion. When it comes to monthly chart, gold is setting up for opportunity, but not yet. Currently, only bullish correction. That's it. Gold can't get out of these levels. No rules are met, no long trade on gold monthly yet. Plenty of gold trades played out on gold daily. Google monthly, shocker. Did you know what happens when price comes to reversal zone? Here's Google. Collapse from 680 to 580. Completely expected. Google monthly. I wish you all fantastic holiday if you decide to sign up for the course. Today, tomorrow, the latest, you will receive 2 additional weeks with manual and modules. You have plenty of time to prepare for September 8th when we go with a bang into the classes. September 8th will be very active education day. So, your course will be 10 weeks instead of 8. You will have plenty of time to prepare. Private mentoring, your course will be 18 weeks instead of 16. Choice is yours. So, this is what we accomplished so far for this month. I will still be here tomorrow, but support is leaving for vacation. So, as of right now, August 26, 47 trades, 37 trades reached key targets. And buyers continue picking up this steam on S&P as I warned you. Just like Euro continue dancing at the end of the minor trend. Only very, very temporary. Once this level is broken, in the next 2 years, we Americans will no longer be poor. Euro will head to here and then to here. So buckle up. Fantastic times ahead of us. Those of us who love to travel, we no longer will be poor Americans. This is bullish correction when it comes to monthly and yearly charts. In the next 2 years, Euro here and then all the way down to here. Go down, baby, and stay there, would you? Ciao, kapow, everybody. Have a great time. Have a great rest of August. And do remember, on S&P, monitor this level. This level is broken. We're heading into oblivion to 800.